Tired of hand-washing dishes every day? Check out the compact and efficient portable dishwasher from Noveet. Perfect for small households, parents with infants, and modern lifestyles. Holds 4-place settings and fits up to 12-inch dishes. Easy setup with faucet or water tank mode. Baby care/heavy mode for baby products and oily tableware. 5 wash cycles including a speedy 29-minute option. Acts as a dishwasher, dryer, and cabinet in one. Storage rack, cutlery basket, and fruit basket included. Trust Noveet for quality. Upgrade today and simplify your dishwashing routine.